we're going to take a look at the mapping node in Blender. The mapping node is used when we want to move a texture on a model, change its size, or rotate the texture. For this, we use the mapping node, which has 4 different types: texture, point, vector, and normal. Let's start with point. Point defines the exact position of each point on our model. In the location section, if we change the values on the X, Y, or Z axis, the texture will move left or right, forward or backward, and up or down. In the rotation section, changing the X, Y, or Z values will rotate the texture on those axes. For scale, smaller numbers make the texture appear larger, and larger numbers make the texture smaller, which means it looks more distant on the model. The second type is texture. Texture mapping controls how the texture is placed on the model based on the UV map. The third type is vector. Vector and normal mainly affect the rotation and scale of the texture, and they behave in a similar way. We can also move and adjust our texture directly using the UV map. Select the model, press Tab to enter edit mode. Press A to select everything, then press U and choose Smart UV Project so the texture is placed correctly on the model. We repeat the same steps for the second model. Now, using the shortcuts we learned earlier, JX, JY, or JZ, we can rotate the UVs, move them left, right, up, or down. And by pressing S, we can scale the texture, making it smaller or larger. In the end, everything depends on the size and direction we want for our texture. In the next videos, we're going to explore the rest of the shader nodes step by step and learn how to create better and more interesting materials in Blender. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.